Welcome back, kids. Now we are going to continue from the last lecture. Here we are going to recap what we have learned in the last class. So we learned about the edges and corner of the solid shapes. Solid shapes we have discussed about cone, cylinder, sphere, cuboid and cube. We have seen about the straight edges and straight edges objects which has corner. So this was the door, and with these two edges this corner was formed. And we also have seen curved edges object. Here in curved edges object there is no corner. Okay, and so we got to know straight edges object has corner and curved edges object doesn't have any corners. And we learned about cuboid in previous class. In this class we will see about cone, cylinder and sphere. We have also seen these stories, very small story where a boy went to the cricket institute and he picked this cubical box. He took out this spherical ball and he noticed the bat shape looks like cuboid and its handle looks like cylindrical shape. And he also looked at this wickets, and bottom of the wicket he noticed it as a cone, and this upper part, this entire part was cylindrical shape. And he also noticed the objects, real life objects, which resemble with one or the other shapes. And we saw about cube. We saw like 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners for a cube, and each face was a square. And here are some example we have seen. For cuboid also we have seen 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 corners. Only difference was the opposite edges must be equal and each face of the cuboid is a rectangle. Okay, so we have seen this example already. Now we will go or learn about cylinder today. In the cylinder shape, a cylinder has 2 flat faces. So this is one flat face, this entire area is a face, and back side there is another face. If you look at this container, this upper part is one flat face and this bottom one is another flat face. So we have 2 flat faces, one curved surface. So this entire area is a curved surface. We have also labeled this curved surface as CURVED. So this is the spelling how we spell curved surface. Okay, so this area is called curved surface, and 2 curved edges. So this yellow outline, this represent an edge. So this is one edge and backside there is another edge. So here if you look at this container, this is one edge in the top and this rounded edge at the bottom. So in total we have 2 curved edges. 2 flat faces are circular. So these flat faces are circular in nature. Okay, so this is circular, this top side is circular, this top face is circular, here top face of this container is also circular. Each circular face meet curved surface to form a curved edge. So this circular face and bottom side circular face meet together to form a curved surface. So this entire area is curved surface of this water. For this container, this area is curved surface and it is joining upper flat face and bottom flat face. Okay, so this entire structures are, all the shapes are cylinder shape. Here is a cylinder which is used in kitchen. Okay, so this is battery and this is can and this is container. So all these shapes are cylindrical shape. Now we'll move to next shape. This is a cone, and if you notice the properties of the cone, a cone has flat face. So this has only one flat face. You can notice in the downside here this flat face is at the top, and in this traffic board, this is a downside, we have one flat face and a curved surface. So there is only one curved surface. Here you notice this is the curved surface. The flat face is circular. As we have seen in the cylinder, this flat face is also circular. You notice this is the yellow dots which represent one edge. So this is the circular in nature. Okay, a circular face meets the curved surface to form a curved edge. So circular face meets the curved surface. So this is the circular face and it meets the curved surface to form an curved edge. So this is edge. So this is the sorry, this one is, this area of the dotted figure is called edge. Here we have labeled as edge, and here it's a corner. So cone has only one corner. So we can say cone has only one corner. Now we'll move to next shape. This is sphere. Sphere is a curved surface. Sphere has a curved surface. It has neither any edge or nor any corners. So no edge, no corner, only a curved surface. If you look at this orange, this is a spherical shape. Okay, so it is different than your circle. Circle is 2D shape, and this is a spherical shape. This is solid shape. And this world map, if you look at this world map, this is also a spherical shape. Okay, so your marble, this is also a spherical shape. Now we know all the shapes, and here we also again see the difference between cube and cuboid. In cube, each face is a square. In cuboid, each face is a rectangle. So this is a rectangle and this is another rectangle. But here is the one face, it is a square. This face is also a square. So we can see all the faces is square for cube, but each face is a rectangle. So this is the major difference. Another difference is all edges are of equal length. So all edges, so these are the edges: 1, edges 2, edges 3, edges 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and backside there are 3 edges. Okay, so these all edges are of equal length, but only opposite edges are of equal length in cuboid. So this is cuboid, this edge and this edge, these are opposite edges because these are in front to each other. So these edges are equal. So this is the opposite edge for this rectangle. Okay, so these edges are also equal. Now we'll move to the summary of what all objects, what all shapes we have learned so far for cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. So number of edges for cube, we know the cube has 12 edges. Why? If you look at closely this figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and backside we have 3 edges, which cannot be shown in this graph, shown in this picture. Cuboid, we have 12 edges, 8 corners. So because the shape is same, only difference was the rectangular shape, but number of edges and number of faces are same in cuboid. For cylinder, we have 2 edges and 0 corner. So this is the cylinder, there is no corner, and edges, here is the one edge in the top and one rounded edge in the bottom. So we have 2 edges in cylinder. And cone has one edge and one corner. So this is a cone, this is a corner, and where is the edge? Like cylinder, we have this rounded edge in the bottom of the cone. Sphere, no edge, no corner. So we have learned about all these shapes, and I believe you have learned and you can relate these solid shape with the real life objects, and you can easily identify which object is cube, which is a cuboid, which are cylindrical, which are cone, and which are spheres. So great, thanks for listening to me and understanding this lecture. We will bring you more videos and we'll cover furthermore in the rest of the topics. So please do subscribe my channel so that you don't miss any further videos. Thank you guys.